Nick at night was the Savior sent to die for the man. And what began when Jesus met with Nick at night?
Remember.
Can we talk now?
Yes, Mackenzie, we can talk. This is the intermission.
So what happened, Alan? Did Nicodemus believe in Jesus? Was he born again?
Well, Taylor, what does it mean to be born again?
I think I can't explain it.
Well, if you can explain it, that makes it a mystery.
Yes, it is a mystery when someone becomes a brand new person.
You mean like in his witness protection programs, like gone to every has plastic surgery and gets a new name and then went to a new?
Oh, Taylor, those are just changes on the outside. A new birth are changes from the inside out. Not an improved version of yourself, but a brand new creation.
I'm sorry, Ellen, but now I'm clueless.
Let's see. How can I illustrate to them? I know. If I pinch my program together in the middle, it kind of looks like a what, Mackenzie?
A butterfly.
Yes, and many people use a butterfly to describe being born again. A little caterpillar was crawling on the ground.
Crawling on that dirty old ground.
So low he couldn't see very much around.
He couldn't see much around.
So he climbed into a tree and thought what a wonderful thing would be if I could soar with wings into the sky.
To be born again, changed from within, with power you've never known before. To be born brand new, what only God can do, a miracle from the Lord.
Now as the little caterpillar sat there thinking
Just thinking thoughts like this,
that worm was turned into a chrysalis.
no cool but a chrysalis.
Gonna touch that tiny thing, and if it starts with butterfly wings, a new creation, he knew what it was.
To be born again, changed from within, with power you've never known before. To be born brand new, what only God can do, a miracle from the Lord.
Now caterpillars and butterflies are bugs,
Just bugs.
but humans are all children of God above. Yeah, here's what we can learn from butterflies. When Jesus comes into your life, you are metamorphosized. Are you a little caterpillar crawling on the ground?
Crawling on that dirty old ground,
You could soar above and be heaven bound.
we could soar evermore heaven bound.
Look up to your father and friend. Ask him to forgive your sins and make a new creation out of you.
To be born again, changed from within, with power you've never known before. To be born brand new, what only God can do, a miracle from the Lord. To be born again, changed from within, with power you've never known before. To be born brand new, what only God can do, a miracle, a miracle, a miracle from the Lord.
I think it's yours. It's not mine. So Alan, did God really do that for Nicodemus?
Well, that's part of the mystery, Taylor. You see, God's plan is for everyone who's born here on earth to also be born into his heavenly kingdom. But God doesn't make anyone join his heavenly kingdom, it's your choice whether you want to accept Jesus as your Savior, just as it was Nicodemus' choice.
So, what did Nicodemus choose?
Shh! Here comes the hostess. The show's about to begin again. Time has passed as we begin Act 2, but the hour is still the same. It's nighttime as the Sanhedrin meets. These rulers want to arrest Jesus. The Pharisees were seldom fair. But will there be a different outcome because our Nick at Night is there?
Nick at Night. Here's the story of Nick at Night. What the Savior said to that good man, and what began when Jesus met with Nick at Night.
Nicodemus, Law 453 says we can start a meeting of the Sanhedrin and to make sure all the religious leaders are here.
Of course, Phil. Phil, Pharisee?
Here!
Frank, Pharisee?
Present and accounted for.
Fred, Pharisee?
I'm here.
Ferris, Pharisee?
Present.
Felix, Pharisee?
Here.
And we have a new member of the Sanhedrin. Your name?
Forest Pharisee? Now to the problem at hand. This Jesus healed a man on the Sabbath.
That's breaking our law number 12.
We've seen what Fred Pharisee saw, and more. This so-called prophet spoke to a woman, a Samaritan woman.
That's breaking law 23 and 82.
He not only speaks to sinners, he dies with them and offers them forgivenesses of sins.
That's breaking 118, 246, and 398.
I saw what Pharisee saw and heard worse.
What did the Galilean say, Forrest?
You will look for me, but you will not find me. And he added, where I am, you cannot come.
What nonsense is this, Nicodemus? Where I am, you cannot come.
But it's really nonsense. Maybe Jesus meant he would be going to heaven. But the hypocrites wouldn't.
Really, Nicodemus, if anyone heads to heaven, it'd be us, the Pharisees.
Yes, we're better than everyone. Why, you can tell by just looking at us. We're practically perfect.
The Roman guard, as you requested, sir.
Here's our man.
Guard, have you arrested that imposter, Jesus?
No, sir. Jesus has broken no law, sir. And by my account, no one has ever spoken the way this man does, sir.
He may have tricked you, soldier, but I'm sure none of us Pharisees believe in this Jesus. Right, Nicodemus? Nicodemus? Nick!
Does our law condemn anyone without first hearing them out?
Hear him out? I like to hear him out of town. You know, my mama always said, come on, Forrest, a prophet from Galilee? Now I'd call that stupid. Like my mama always said, stupid is as stupid does.
We'll have to take care of this matter ourselves.
With or without Nicodemus?
Yeah.
Did he become a secret disciple or something? Come on, Forrest, let's go.
Yes, and on our road discuss our Pharisee philosophy of life.
You know, my mama always said, life is like a box of...
Give it up, Forrest.
Permission to ask you something, sir.
Howdy, soldier. What is it?
Well, are you really a secret disciple, a believer in Jesus, or do you just like to annoy your friends by taking up for him?
No, I've spoken with Jesus.
You have? Well, what did you find out about him?
The question should be, what did I find out about myself?
And what was that?
That in spite of all my education, my position, and my good intentions, the old Nicodemus was lost in the darkness of sin.
So, tell me, what happened?
I was too ashamed to meet him I saw his face. He was looking into mine, and even in the nighttime I could see him shine. I was in the dark till I met the light. My cold, cold heart turned to Jesus Christ. I was in the dark till my eyes could see that even in the dark, He was loving me. The dark is like the night, a life without the Lord, a heart that's filled with sin that God can't ignore. But when Jesus fills your heart, His light shining through. He drives away the darkness and will make you new. I was in the dark till I met the light. My cold, cold heart turned to Jesus Christ. I was in the dark till my eyes could see that even in the dark, He was loving me. Even in the dark, He was loving me. Even in the dark, He was loving me.
Your secret's safe with me, Nicodemus.
I just pray it will also become your secret.
Yes, sir.
A secret disciple? In a moment, we will see if Nick keeps his secret as we move to Act 3.
Nick at Night. Here's the story of Nick at Night. What the Savior said to that good man, and what began when Jesus met with Nick at